Hey everybody, I'm John Swicky, and we are going to walk through Bard's latest update, which allows image generation. You can now create images with Bard, and let's see if we can. Let's see what it's like. Let's see if it's worth our time, and see how it compares to some of the other things out there. All right, so Bard, like the first time in a while, so we can now generate some images. Let's see what we can do here. All right, let's do the first image here. Can you generate an image? I always like to try to start with people. That's why we can see how good the models are. Person, coffee, sitting by a beach. Okay. All right, we got an up close shot here. Okay. All right. Looks like you get 2 by default. So let's just see what the next 2 look like. Kind of interesting. Quality's pretty good. Let's see. Can you make an animate. Let's see, pencil counter. Can you do a pencil drawing of a person sitting on a fancy chair with the cat? See different kind of styles we can do. Can't generate image of that. Okay. Let's do cartoon here. In the style of the cartoon. And you have a cat eating ice cream and the dog in the background looking angry. Okay. Not quite. That's terrifying. Hey, everyone, see that image again? Oh, let's try a speech there. Let's try if we can make a YouTube thumbnail. Can you make a YouTube thumbnail with the words image generation and the background is a supercomputer doing stuff? Just want to see if it flags the keyword YouTube thumbnail. It'll be interesting to see if this goes gets worked into YouTube eventually. Okay, it's got text. You got the text correctly. That says something. Okay. It looks like, oh wait, is this the right one? Oh, here we go. Okay, so it looks like Bard is being powered by this Imagen 2. And it's going to be inside of Bard, but also on slides and in Google Meet for some. Okay. We got access to an API now. We got some examples here because prompting's not as sophisticated here, but we got some output here. Soft profile fashion headshot of an old adult Asian male made model silhouette apart from a red rim light. Yeah, so you think with images, so you gotta get really more details with your prompting. Perfect shot of an elderly woman. So the quality is, oh wait, let's do one more. I think I did like a soda. What one was it? Generate product image with new soda called Fresh Rain. The images should be fun, vibrant, and here I have pots of happy people. I forgot which tool I was using, but I remember having fun generating some like fake products. Hey, look at that. Okay, cool. Here's our new drink. See, the only thing that would have been made this better is if it actually took this cut, like this shot, and then, oh yeah, see we got. Yeah, it might have been my prop. Having the product inside of these shots would have been cool. All right, so that's a quick look at Bard's new update. It looks like they also have this new tool called ImageFX, which you can try things outside of Bard. Maybe we can hop in there for a quick second before we leave. How do I get in there? Okay, so it looks like it's a different tool. Does it help us with prompting? Oh, okay, this is cool. So this can help you. You could probably use this "I'm feeling lucky" button. You could just generate this prompt for me so you can play around with it if you're struggling with some prompts. This actually could be helpful in coming with. Yes, this is optimizing my prompt now. Oh, very cool. So actually, this could be a fun thing to play around with as well. This is part of their AI test kitchen. They do these little kind of little mini apps, but for free. I think this is pretty solid. This is pretty much. Yeah, the quality's pretty good. I don't think it's near the levels of Midjourney or anything like that, but I think for free, for experimentation, trying stuff out, I think it's right up there so far in these early tests. But let us know if you start making some stuff with Bard and you get some interesting output. Let us know. But thanks for taking a little peek at this with us today, and we'll see you next time, everybody. Thank you.